Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're going to have a look in Icmeler, see what bars, restaurants and shopping that they've got in this little complex. Don't forget to comment below, like and subscribe. Let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. So if you are new to the channel, this is what we do. We go to all resorts, areas, and we like to see what you can get for your money. If you haven't got much, what's budget friendly? If you have, where's your money going to go? Nightlife, beaches, everything in between. Right, so another little area of shops. Got hairdressers on the other side, World of Tobacco. Clothes, nice little short sets there. Jumper sets. Oh yeah, excursions. Got a British pub across the road. See what the prices are. So from here, a large draught, 100 lira. That's £2. It's nice, mare's pita bread, beautiful. Got chicken kin. Nice watch one there. There you go. A little bit more, price has gone up a little bit more. So got large beer, only £2. Oh, is that in euro? Pound, sorry, so no, same price, sorry. Nice food selection. So it looks like we're heading back towards the water coming from this area. Was that a Club Ace? Looks like it's part of the hotel. So Ace Bar, all sports, live DJ, entertainment. Nice. Another restaurant across the road. So sport for choice, again, it's one of those resorts where if you're in a little area, you're gonna have plenty to do. You kind of don't really need to venture out if you don't want to. And you've got the sort of water right on your doorstep as well. And lots of easy ways of getting around. So yeah, really, really rate Turkey. Marmaris Resort. Let me know if you've been to any others or if there's any others in Turkey that you'd like us to go to. There you go, some ice cream. Watch World, some more shops. And another little beach supermarket. I'm guessing you get all your Lilos and everything in there. Right, it's getting a bit windy, so apologies if you can't hear me. Right, so we're coming back to where we've already done. So hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.